Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add multiple audio clips from Premiere Pro using Adobe Audition. So let's get started. As you can see, I have these multiple clips and I want to edit these audio clips in Adobe Audition. Normally when you select all of these and right click here, there's an option for edit clip in Adobe Audition. When you click on here, this will open up the Adobe Audition and you can edit all of these clips individually. And here the other part. Now let's close it up. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit all of these clips as one in Adobe Audition. For that, you need to select all of these clips and right click here and click on Nest. You can name this sequence anything you want and hit OK. And still, when I right click here, there is no option to edit clips in Adobe Audition. And now we are going to click on Render and Replace. Once you click on here, this will merge all of the audio clips as one. And now right click here and click on Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. And that's how you can edit multiple audio clips from Premiere Pro in Adobe Audition. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.